The Powermatic 15-inch planer features a helical cutter head that provides smoother cutting and a finer finish than conventional knives. 3 V-belts transfer maximum power from the 3-horsepower motor to the cutter head, allowing you to perform a variety of smoothing and leveling functions for your woodworking projects. In this example, we'll be demonstrating how to bring multiple boards down together. Position the multiple pieces on the machine, ensuring they're lined up. Adjust the planer table to the desired depth by turning the hand wheel. Move your boards through the planer with slow movement and consistent pressure applied across them all until they have passed all the way through the planer. Continue making micro adjustments to the depth by turning the hand wheel and then running your boards through the planer until you have achieved your desired thickness. Learn more about the Powermatic 15-inch planer on our website. And don't forget that your tool comes with an industry-leading warranty. If you need any service or repair, one of our authorized Powermatic service centers can assist you. Contact our support team today to find a service center near you.